Dealing with foundation damage and repairs can be overwhelming and costly, but with the foundation man, Richard Rash, you'll be fully prepared for what lies ahead. He'll help you pinpoint the problem, if there is one, understand its severity, and teach you the best ways to stop, reverse, and prevent future issues, all while breaking down the cost factors involved. As a foundation repair consultant, Richard can guide you through everything, from diagnosing the root cause of your foundation troubles to understanding your repair options, costs, and potential pitfalls. He'll also alert you to scams and help you navigate through bids, contracts, and warranties. Whether you're a homeowner, property manager, seller, or buyer, Richard's advice is invaluable before you deal with commissioned salespeople. Completely independent and charging a fair fee, Richard has no stake in the products or companies you choose. His only goal is to get you the best, most economical solution. In other words, he has no dog in the hunt, just your best interests in mind. You may visit his website, read his book, read his customer testimonials, or best of all, call or text for an appointment.